How to use the Cricut Convert to Layers feature on mobile phone. Step 1. In Design Space, tap Upload on the bottom toolbar. Step 2. You can choose to take a photo. Select from Photo Library, browse files or open uploaded images. Step 3. Next you can remove the background and unwanted areas using Automatic Background Remover or the manual editing tool. Select and erase. Step 4. When you're satisfied with the edits, tap Apply. Step 5. In the Convert Upload to Screen, select multiple layers and tap Next. Step 6. Now you can navigate through Edit Layers and Advanced to prepare the image. Step 7. In Edit you can select whether you want the uploaded image to be a clipart or photo. Step 8. You can also select output style between stacked and sliced. Step 9. If you select stacked, it'll create a solid base layer underneath and other layers on top. Best for iron-on paper and vinyl projects. Step 10. The sliced option will create layers that fit together like puzzle pieces. It is best to use for infusible ink projects. Step 11. When you go to layers, you can select the number of layers you want to cut out between 1 to 9 and the preview will adjust to reflect your selection. Step 12. You can also click the button with 4 squares and you should be able to see each layer on the screen, or you can click each layer individually. Step 13. You can use the Advanced tool to refine the image. Step 14. Play with the Smooth, Reduce Noise and Simplify settings and the preview will reflect your selection. Step 15. Name your image and click Upload. Step 16. The image will load into the canvas and you're done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.